MOY is a leading full system provider of high-performance rooftop waterproofing. MOY have now extended their product line with the introduction of ParoMelt, the second generation hot melt waterproofing system. A polymer modified bitumen compound used with a robust SBS protection membrane which gives a tough monolithic but flexible roof system. Full immersion of our distinctive blue reinforcement mesh ensures enough compound is being installed. Designed primarily for use over concrete in inverted roof applications such as podium decks, green roofs, car parks, terraces and balconies. The full ParoMelt system includes a wide range of inverted thermal installations, water reduction layers and other accessories. MOY systems are certified by BBA, IAB and FM Global. With bases in the UK, Ireland and Germany, our innovative, long-lasting waterproofing solutions and our unparalleled technical support has earned MOY a raft of high-profile clients across the globe and placed it at the forefront of this dynamic and competitive industry. MOY provides specifications tailored to each project design using innovative, long-lasting waterproofing solutions. Services are far-reaching across the design and specification stages of commercial projects, right through to project completion and beyond. MOY services include specialist technical support, CPD presentations, roof surveys and condition reporting. On-site support throughout the life cycle of the project is also included. With over 40 years' experience, MOY has a proven track record across its product offerings, which include green roofing, bitumen roofing, liquid waterproofing, single ply, composite metal panels, key system products and technical services. MOY is delighted to add the second generation robust flexible ParoMelt hot melt to its stable and to provide a 30-year warranty. For further information, please contact MOY at moymaterials.com.